Hello, I'm Kishan and today we are going to make Berry Bliss Tart, in which we will be making walnut flour tart and filling will be from fresh strawberry ganache and piping of whipped white chocolate ganache. We will garnish it with fresh strawberry puree and chocolate leaves. So let's get started. Let's start with making tart dough. First, I have mixed all dry ingredients in a mixing bowl, which includes whole wheat flour, sugar, and salt. Then, with a whisk, I will give it a good mix and finally add butter. Now, starting from slow speed, I gradually increase speed until dough turned into crumbling texture. Then, I add little water, mixed it, and removed it from machine. Before taking it out, I mixed it with my hands and made a single bowl out of it. Transferred it into a cling film, covered it, and put it away for some time to give it rest. Once dough has rested, I took it out and rolled it between cling film. Here I am going to use long oval perforated tart ring. You can use any shape you like. You can check out Arif online store for unique tart ring designs. I measured the length and width and placed it on sides of tart ring, and for base I rolled another sheet and passed it from above to stick edges and base together. Now it's time for satisfying part, trimming the edges. Once it's done, I'm going to bake it at 160 degrees for around 10 to 12 minutes. Here I'm going to poke holes so tart base doesn't rise while baking. You can use blind baking method as well. Now you can see tart is baked and ready. I will keep it aside for now and make fresh strawberry ganache. For strawberry ganache, I will start by making strawberry puree. I took sliced strawberries in a saucepan and added sugar and lemon juice and cooked it on a medium-low heat until strawberry released its juices. Once strawberries are properly cooked, I mashed it with spatula. You can use potato masher as well. Then I blended it properly and strained it out for smooth consistency. I will let it come to room temperature and then I mixed equal amount of strawberry puree and white chocolate to make strawberry ganache. Now I will keep it aside and we will move to next part, which is whipped white chocolate ganache for piping over tart, for which I took chopped white chocolate and poured simmering hot cream on chocolate. Let it sit for 2 minutes and mixed it to make smooth white chocolate ganache. Once it reached room temperature, I folded it into stiff thick whipped cream and mixed it well. Now it's time to prepare our final element, that is chocolate leaves, for which I sticked OHP sheet on table with help of water and then took pink colored white chocolate, dipped a knife in it and pressed it over OHP sheet to get chocolate leaf. I did it for multiple times and then took that OHP sheet, put it in a cylinder to make curved leaves. After it is set, you can see how beautiful it looks. It's time to assemble our berry bliss tart. I took tart shell and brushed leftover pink chocolate on inside walls of tart so it doesn't get soggy when we will pipe filling. Then I piped strawberry ganache, filling it till edge of tart. Then piped whipped white chocolate ganache on top of it. I took help of mini scooper to make pocket and piped ganache peaks. Then I piped strawberry puree in pockets and finally garnished it with chocolate leaves. And here it is, beautiful berry bliss tart. Once you cut it, you have this beautiful layer of white and strawberry ganache. I hope you like this recipe video. Do try this at your home and stay tuned for more classic desserts.